Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can delete your GoodNovel account. So the first thing to do is simply open your account, make sure that you are logged into your account, and after doing that, here tap on your profile right here. So if I simply scroll down and get to the settings, I won't find a particular option saying delete account. So what I need to do is go back, and here you can see the option of online service. So you'll need to tap on this online service and open this. So in here, you can see we have a online chatbot. So what you're gonna do is simply tell them that you want to delete your account. So after saying that, you can simply tap on send and send them that. And after saying that, here you can see they have said that, hi, please check my profile, find your UID, click message, or you can contact us through email ID. So in here, you can see this is their email address. All you need to do is go to your email and write them an email. So I'm going to go back and simply open my mail. So here you can see I have wrote down their email address in here, and you can now write something like, dear GoodNovel team, I want to permanently delete my account. So just like this, here you can see I have written something like this. I hope you are doing well. I would like to request a permanent deletion of my GoodNovel account. Best regards in here. You can even write down your name and the email address that you have linked your GoodNovel account to. And in here in the subject, you can write deletion of account. Deletion of account. And in here, you can see I have done all that, and all you need to do is simply tap on send. And now it has successfully been sent to them. And all you need to do is simply wait now. So within few times, I'm pretty sure that GoodNovel will be contacting you via email, and they will tell you what you can do in order to delete your GoodNovel account. And like that, you'll be able to delete it. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.